kabang yang ajuai ban baru kau ni COVID-19 teng ungara ke jing thang ko ye ke jing thang galang lada pingat ke contact tracing lani gan mano ibalang positif ye lani gidung di makhlak ko ye namar lada ki jagong gini Provincially balai Kandai syuk provincially balai Nyala angkan fusin ni I have said many times here also that when you test today you are negative and you go about your duties, you protect yourself, then it's okay. Then after 10 days when you find yourself that you are positive, you cannot go back and say that I was negative on so and so date. How is it possible that I'm positive now? Filai mentah kani jingpang kata ya gitu ada jingpang lupa pokoknya comorbidities what you can happen. Timenta kasong stang happy berhangat kumno bengilaman tem ya kani jingpang. Pat kata kadai bangin follow dia protokol kani kalau ada keteman. Katma kabang ini yano ngele ndai ni sutu bakani kecing ngele kadi tang na kecing ada pat kita kecing ngela di kita bungi onfi SMS henda ngunu knyang jingpang sam jing isna yeno yoro ulang kita kabang jiong hi barabor ni duai menstak menski menmir ni pan kecing ada pat dia kata kecing ni dan ni ngit skam ni kata ndai habang ile gini ketma kandai kepor pilih ini anda kalawan kepor keba suk keba saj keba shinga hak tak kepor sekali but habang ile men ai juba hakan orang kepor ni ai juba we from the health workers side you will see right from top to bottom the administration the shnons the local darbars, local administration, we have exposed ourselves in so many ways. It does not matter for us if we get the infection. Even if we get it, it will not matter for us to name ourselves that we have got the infection. It is high time now that we live with the virus and we live responsibly with discipline. Once we do that, narangila ang impunta kemut nila menilai ini ringkat bat kecingirap jom berita kendak penjerang ubah dijuduai manpo. We appeal once more that please, this is not a time to point fingers at anybody. We are trying our best at all levels. If this best cannot improve the situation, we will make better efforts to improve the situation. Kindly give us your cooperation, and we know that the whole state, across the state, iba paro kibreo kidwai, na banta paro kibreo persya yung Jepang. But the next coming bangin job, I am very sure, I am very hopeful that we will be victorious in the times to come. Only thing is that we just have to be disciplined and we have to work together as citizens of the state to protect our people, especially the elderly, the young people, and the people with comorbidity.